Okay, we're at Summerlin Key. We're heading down East Shore Drive after we leave the fishing bridge area, or I should say the old fishing bridge area. We're 6 miles into our Summerlin Key circle tour. Yeah, East Shore Drive. It's a pretty uncongested road here. West Shore goes past the airport, but we're on East Shore. It's a little more scenic than Niles Road. This whole area was for sale last year. Looked like somebody must have bought it. It's like it would have took some serious coin. I think people are confused. They got their landscaping out and their garbage. Oh look, a cooker. Ooh, looks like starboard.
No, it's starboard.
Was it?
That's what I was looking at.
No shit, piece of starboard like that be expensive.
I
Several $100.
Wrapped a pipe.
So it must be the garbage day coming? No.
Tuesday.
Landscape day.
Monday is garbage. Tuesday is nothing.
So they just got their things out early, huh?
Well, they got a lot of people. These guys take care of yards.
Well, that's true.
So
And they can't get them all before the garbage man gets there.
that's right.
Want to go down 7th Street?
I don't care. Garbage man comes.
Yeah, we'll go down there on the way back.
Mondays and Fridays, I think, and then landscaping and yard waste, landscape yard waste, and recycle is on Wednesday.
Okay, which way should I take my video?
Where's your good
Straight to the end? There's Sunset Boulevard. There's one house for sale over there. We looked at it yesterday. We didn't look at the house, we just looked at the for sale sign. I think what I'll do is turn left right here, because one of the coolest boats around is in here. It's called, let's see, the Nancy Sue or something. What's it called? Susan Nancy. I knew it was something like that. Summerlin Key. The Susan Nancy. Looks like it's riding a little low in the back there. Now down here, howdy. I know you can't see that far, but straight out there is Little Palm Island.